just a short one, because I don't know if I've got enough space. Basically, this is an oxygen sensor for a Prius. I don't have the original one, but basically this is the plug, and I'm going to pull it back so you can see the colours, right, on there. Those are the pins, and I'm going round there, and you can see the blue is on the the blue is on the right, okay, and the white is on the left with the black wires behind, okay, and that's the shape of the plug. You can see there's a key there, so that's deliberately doing it that way so you can see it. See the black wires are behind. Doesn't really matter which way around the black wires are, and so obviously I'm connecting it through to this. I did get some solder because these are steel wires, they're not copper, so rosin flux doesn't work. So I bought some of this, which is actually, it uses it's an acid basically, and it's cored with it, but it really doesn't work because you need to coat the wires before you actually apply the solder, and so the cored stuff doesn't work. So I've used this, which is, I mean, obviously these fell out underneath the car, but that's connecting now fine, and I'm going to be putting this into a car, and hopefully it should just work and the sensor will respond. I'm presuming the sensor itself isn't destroyed. It's been damaged. The case has been damaged slightly, not much. And they tried to get it off with a set of grips instead of using a proper spanner. So, but the main problem was, you can see what's happened here. This is what's happened on the other one. You can see it's basically pulled all the pins out of the plug. And I'm guessing that the plug's somewhere inside the car, underneath the carpet. So I might try and fish that out. But that's that. And they did have this, which came off of another one, where that was where they stole the cat and they cut the wires of the sensor, and so I had this which didn't have a sensor attached, so I'm using this one now. So there you go.